year comes New Year resolutions, and a common one is living a healthier lifestyle. Here to offer some advice is Dr. Evan Altman, the medical director at Baystate Wing Hospital. Good morning. Thanks for joining us. And as we start this new year, what advice do you have for people as we might look to get back on track in the new year?
Of course. So people are always used to being inundated with tips on exercise and eating well, which obviously can't be underemphasized. However, the importance of addressing our mental health resolutions this year, I think can't be stressed enough. There's an all-time high level of, stress in the community, in the professional world. We're seeing, increases in, stress-based behaviors, anger, frustration. And obviously that's on top of the mental health crisis that we are, facing already. So I think, this is what we need to focus on this year, our mental health and getting back on track after the pandemic. Yeah.
What are some small steps that people can do to incorporate living a healthier lifestyle?
So small steps, obviously, like the eating well, the exercise, getting 150 minutes of exercise a week. That's the American Heart Association recommendation. But of course, drinking water, getting enough sleep. And in terms of mental health, small things you could do, giving yourself permission to stress out, take control of your own mental health this year. It may sound funny, but I tell people all the time, you can give yourself 5 minutes, schedule your time to stress out. Try something new this year, like meditation or listening to podcasts or audiobooks, set boundaries in your personal and professional lives. All kinds of stuff you can do daily to help yourself.
I like that. Time to stress out. And in regard to New Year's resolutions, what are some things we should try to avoid going into the new year?
So getting back to what I said about setting boundaries, trying to avoid situations which, have not worked for you in the past, try new solutions this year. If something's not working for you, talk to people. I think the most important thing that we're always talking about, and in terms of emphasizing mental health today, would be bettering your communication skills on all levels, and expressing yourself to people in healthier ways. And, people right now are worrying that there's no end in sight, but there's an end in sight, and we need to get back to ourselves.
Yes, definitely. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for all of your great advice and tips, Dr. Altman. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Take care.
You too.